Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll teach you the affordable way to revamp your old wig at home. So let's get right into the video. So you need to detangle the hair first, and you go in with your liquid soap. Sorry, I do not have shampoo, so this is the best alternative to use. You can as well use shampoo if you have that at home. So you pour the liquid soap or shampoo in the bowl and add a very hot water into it. Then you comb out the hair a little. Then you drop the hair into the soapy water. At this point, my fingers were burning. The water was very hot, and I didn't want to dilute it now because my hair was very dirty. You can all see the dirt coming out from the old wig. I think the last time I wore this hair was about 2 years ago. I saw this hair and wanted to just bring it to life again. So this is what was coming out from the hair. This dirt, I was shocked. The hair was very dirty. So you just have to move the hair about. And the next thing I did was get another water. At this point, you're going to add another very hot water in it. I couldn't stand the first one, so I had to dilute the water. It's unbelievable, but it was very hot and my fingers were burning. So you're going to wash the hair, but please do not wash the hair like you're washing your clothes. This is not your clothes, this is your hair. So with the third part, I use washing powder instead of the liquid soap because my liquid soap got finished. Then you comb the hair out, and you can see that the dirt is still coming out. You can see the water is full of dirt. I realized that dirt is kind of reducing, but I actually wanted to see a clear water. So I squeezed every water out of the hair, and I brought another water. This one was warm water. I had already diluted it and washed the hair. You could see that the water has come out at least better than first, meaning the dirt from the wig has reduced. You have to make sure the water has come out from the hair. So the next product we are going to use is the deep conditioner. So you take some amount of it and put it into the hair. This will give the hair a shiny and a beautiful look. Put it in all the hair, don't just put it at some part of it. Everywhere needs the conditioner. So when you're done, you take a tail comb. If you have a small comb, you just take it and comb it thoroughly. Make sure you comb every part of it. And the next thing we are going to go in with is to get a zip lock. If you don't have a zip lock, you need to go buy one. So you are going to comb everything very well. Make sure everywhere feels so smooth. So I'm going to put the zip lock. I'm going to show you how or what the zip lock is all about, so you can get one if you want to try this. So this is how the zip lock looks. I had this old zip lock, so I'm using it. You turn inside the hair. So I'm actually saying you're going to turn where you put on your head like out, then you wrap it into the zip lock. So you're going to put the zip lock that has the hair into a bowl, and you pour the hot water on it. You can leave it for about 30 minutes, but with this I was busy, so I left it for an hour, and this is how the hair came out. When I removed the hair, this was the best look. They put it in the water again and wash thoroughly so that the conditioner can come out from the hair. So this is what I did, and it's very, very like shiny. You could see that the hair wasn't like this before. So I went in again to wash the hair for the last time, and the dirt was almost out. I can say 90% is gone, and what I have here is better. The water was very clean at this point, meaning the dirt from the hair is gone. So you need to air dry it. You don't have to blow dry at this point. Just air dry, comb it out, make all the water in the hair come out. Then when you are done, you can go in and blow dry the hair now. So you blow dry it till it gets dry. That's what I did, with no water draining from the hair. After you are done blow drying it, you're just going to go in with your straightener. So if you don't have a straightener, you need to get one, because after blow drying, you need to straighten the hair very well. So at this point, it was drying out so quickly. It took a while though to get the hair dry without no water dropping. So that's what I did. I think I took about 15, 20, 25 minutes for it to get all dry. Then you start to straighten it. I wanted a bob look, so I started straightening it to get that bob look. And I can tell you, this is also another work, and it's not like easy to get your old wig to come out like this. I was so eager to get the bob look I actually wanted, so I took my time to make this hair come out so beautiful. So with this, I think I got the bob look I wanted. I think I tried. You can see this is the front, and this is the side, and this is the back of the hair. So make sure you try this at home. Don't throw your old wigs at home. Try and revamp them, and you are good to go. You can get your old wigs for church, for weddings, for parties, for any occasions. This is what I got, and I hope you love it. Make sure you try it at home and let me know in the comment section if you actually did. Bye bye.